One of the biggest fears when you're selling on Amazon is to get an authenticity complaint, otherwise known as Section 3. This is basically either one of your buyers or Amazon itself trying to verify that the product that you sold or you're selling is indeed authentic. And many times your account will be put on hold if you can't present the proper proof of purchase. But there is absolutely nothing to fear, and I'll tell you why. As long as you're buying from a reputable source, and a reputable source could be a retailer like Target or Walmart. It doesn't have to be a distributor or a wholesale supplier. And it can't be a third-party seller on Walmart either. It has to be fulfilled and sold by Walmart, for example. Make sure to submit your proof of purchase, your invoice or your receipt from Walmart or Target or any of these reputable retailers multiple times until it gets accepted by Amazon. They will eventually accept it, even though they momentarily shut down your account. You might have to get on a video conference call with them, but then you will eventually get reactivated as long as you can present good proof of purchase. Do not be buying products from eBay or Mercari or a Telegram group